Hi everybody, it's time for my beginning of December, project pan update. So today is December 2nd. Obviously I haven't hit my deadline yet. That's going to be at the end of the month. I'm hoping I can get that out like pretty close to New Year. I'm wearing a Profusion Citrine palette today, just in case you're wondering. As soon as I opened it, like it literally broke as soon as I opened it. A piece of it flaked out. This is new, so I was like super excited about it. And I'm wearing a melt lipstick that's like a mustardy color, but that made me look a little sick, so I put a Covergirl brown gloss over top of it. And I used a Wet n Wild Cashmere, the color is called Cashmere, on the outside just to see. It didn't really do anything, but I'm really feeling this look today. I didn't record it, but that's what's on my face. Okay, so those of you who don't know, project pan or panning a palette is when you're trying to use up the palette. As you swirl the brush around the powders, you're using it up, and eventually you're going to hit the metal pan at the bottom. It's very satisfying, and I explain it every time just in case. So I'm doing a LA Colors little 12 pan palette, and my goal is to hit pan in every single color. And I'm doing a Covergirl lipstick that I just can't stand anymore. So let's look at our progress. I already weighed them and measured the lipstick. Let's start with the lipstick. It doesn't show that it's any lower. Okay, and then this lipstick, we were at 24 last time, and we still are. I used it. It's 24 still. Oh well. It's about 3/8 of an inch. If I cheated and maybe I should try to push, because it's like, oh crap. I just dropped it on the carpet and it like took some of it off. That was cheating. I didn't mean to do it though. Let me measure it again. Where's my card? No, it's still see how it's on an angle? Kind of. Even with the spot on the floor that I have to clean up now, it's still about 3/8 of an inch. Let me weigh it again. I weighed it earlier and it was 24 grams, which hasn't changed for the last 2 months. I've been using it. I swear, I've been using it. I really have. But it's not getting any lower. I mean, a gram is only about the weight of a paper clip. But let me weigh it again. Yeah, it's still 24. 24 grams. It just went down to 22. Let me try again. 24. 22. Well, it was definitely 24 before I dropped it, so I'm just gonna leave it at that. Then last month's update for this eyeshadow, I had hit all but 2 pans, and I discovered that you can use eyeshadow as nail polish. I made a video about that, and I was able to hit this pan here. I have 1 pan left. I have used that pan a little bit, so it does have a little bit of a dent in it. It's got a long way to go, so I need to use it in some more looks. I tried using it as a blush, and it just kind of didn't look right because it's like a little too dark purple to use for like highlight and blush, but it's a little lighter than the last 2 pans. I don't know. This one and this one feel very similar colors. Let me weigh it. I weighed it before. All right, time to weigh my Project Pan products for December. Make sure it's zeroed out. I got a nice hard surface under it. Let's start with the eyeshadow. We were at 38-ish last time. 34. Fantastic. Let me just check. 34. Awesome. And I just want to make sure it's the same. It was 38 grams last time-ish, according to my notes. Why are you coming up 38 when you clearly weighed 34 last time. What is wrong? Now it's saying 36. I waited earlier like 4 times and it said 34. 36. 38. What is going on? 38. I don't understand. So I waited earlier and it was 34. Now it's flipping between 36 and 38. I don't get it. So, I don't know, let's say 36. It's like between 38 and 34. I thought 4 whole grams being used up was a lot. Anyway, that's the little update on this. I feel like I'm forgetting something like majorly, but I waited. I did the eyes, I did the lip. So off we go. I don't think I'm going to use all of this up because we're clearly having issues already. And I only have a month left. So wish me luck. Let me know what you're panning this year if you are, and we'll see you in another video. Bye. Hi everybody, it's time. Oh, I just woke my cat up. Am I talking too loud? I'm sorry. Okay, here we go. It just dropped on the floor. I just said that. And you know, as, oh wait, I gotta put it just a touch. Did I wake you up? He's on the bed, curled up. It's cold, he hates it. I keep spacing out today at like random times. Hi, I love you. I'm wasting tape. Wasting tape? I'm like wasting space on my phone. What was I saying? December 2nd? So today is December 2nd. I'm obviously not done with it. Oh, I just got lipstick on the carpet. Oh my gosh, this is a mess. And I discovered that you can... I definitely made progress because I definitely hit pan. Cat's about to jump off the bed. It's loud. Hi, are you gonna interrupt? I'll be right with you, sir.